What is up, guys? Good morning. Lee here. Today I want to talk about how to hire event staff, specifically bartenders. So people often think that I have bartending events every night, but that's not really the case. I usually have about 4 gigs a month, and only about one of those is a lucrative or a big gig. So this requires my staff to all be casual, but thanks to the laws, still on payroll. So in Canada, where I'm from, when I started hiring bartenders, you could pay them up to $3,500 before having to start deducting taxes. However, that all changed for me in my area a few years ago when the number went down to $350. So, boo. So I started a payroll account, and that's probably what you should do too. So maybe contact your local government agency to get a payroll account. Just so you know, this is just how I did it, so I might be wrong as I bootstrapped most of my business. Perfect. So anyways, I get all my staff to fill out a TD1 form. The form tells me their information and basically so that I can give them a T4 at the end of the year. So how did I find my staff? So I worked in the bar and restaurant industry in nightclubs and fine dining restaurants, and I was a waiter, a bartender, an off-sale clerk, basically everything in the service industry. So I worked in the bar industry before starting my business, so naturally I grabbed the best workers that I encountered to work for me. So moving forward, now I just always hire through referral of my initial employees, of my trusted staff members. Whoever they refer usually ends up being someone trusted, and they work good with them, with people that they get along with, rather than pairing some randos together. And then slowly, when I started doing lots of big gigs together, my staff ended up all meeting each other, like people I know with their friends and their friends coming together, and now I can basically pair anyone together. And yeah, it's all happy, and we all work together flawlessly. So when I'm asking someone to work a gig, I get all of the details together for the specific gig, and then I send a personal text message asking the staff member to work for me. If this doesn't work, if I can't hire anyone for the date, I also have a Facebook hiring group, and then I have all the staff members I've ever hired there, and I send out a mass message to them, and I can usually get someone very quickly off of that. Backup. So I always keep backup. So I always have an ad on Kijiji in the background looking for bartenders for my event date. Even though I already have staff hired for that date, I have backup. I have resumes on hand. I can quickly call someone. So if someone becomes ill or backs out for some reason, I have emergency backup option. So one thing, these hires are usually last resort, and they probably will require some supervision as you want to maintain excellent business. So hiring last minute staff is obviously last resort. Okay, so on days when I have multiple gigs going on, I don't work at all. I just sit in the background behind the scenes, and I fill in where needed. Most nights I just lay awake and worry, but usually nothing ever goes wrong. But I stay in the background because if something does go wrong, then I can jump out to where I'm needed instead of being stuck at an event. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. Please like the channel and subscribe. I hope you like this video. I'm going to be posting more videos all the time. So thanks for watching.